it's Sophie and welcome back. So for today's Notion tour video, which I am super excited about. So for today's video, I have prepared Notion, and again, it is a productivity app that is professional, effective, and high quality. And when I say high quality, it means that it can literally do everything that you want it to do, such as jotting down ideas like bullet points, to-do list, and of course tables and timelines, calendars for databases, and you can basically create pages within pages within pages, and of course like within subpages and subpages. Just like as long as you want to create all of them, you can do them in Notion and all in one workspace. And it is just for you, and I highly recommend you getting it if you haven't yet. And if you haven't watched my previous video about how to set up your own personalized page, it is on the top right over here, I think. And it is a really great app to use. So today I'm going to be introducing my Notion page, and let's go! Everyone, welcome to my Notion page. So I named my Notion page using my own name, which is Sophie Lee. So let's start from the left column over here. So I have my school, which is a topic, and it is the most important thing out of all of them. And my second important thing is my assignments calendar. So my assignments calendar basically reminds me of the assignments that are due tomorrow, next week, or next month, and I'm going to be showing it in a bit. So let's go over classes over here. So I have all my classes over here, including my Google Classroom links, because sometimes I do feel kind of lazy to just go all the way to Chrome and then I'll have to go to Google Classroom. But with the classroom links, I can basically click into it and then I can go to my classroom. Alright, so over here's my school schedule. So for the first column of my table, I have my period of class, and my second column is my classes, and that includes like which classes I have on that specific day. And for the meeting links, they are basically Zoom links that I need to join when I have this class. So for the time, it is basically my class times, because like for advisory, mine is basically only 30 minutes, but for all the other ones, they are basically about around 75 minutes, because it is 1 hour and 15 minutes. So let's go down to assignments calendar over here. So for assignments calendar, I basically listed all my assignments, including their due dates and what type they are and what class they are assigned by. So these are all my assignments over here, and as you can see, I put them on the specific date just to remind myself on what assignments are due today. And this one I am going to be doing after I film this video, because it is my advisory homework, even though I don't have this grade on my gradebook. Alright, so let's go over the to-do column or the to-do topic. So over here it says today. So for today, I have written down my date, and I use the capitalization because I feel like it is important for myself to know what day it is, obviously. And over here, I have my morning, afternoon, and evening plan. Basically, whenever I add a to-do, for example, like clean my table, my desk, or my table, so I have to basically categorize it by the color. So blue represents my homework or school, purple represents social media, basically for YouTube and Instagram, or just like watching videos in general. And for productivity, it is for reading or just like organize something. And for exercising, it is basically for any fitness videos. For example, I want to exercise for 30 minutes, and that will be, categorized into the exercise category. And I also have a topic for my tomorrow to-dos, because I do need to know specifically what I need to do tomorrow, because it is important for me to know, what time I need to wake up at tomorrow so that I can be more productive that way. Alright, so let's go back and go to this week. So to be honest, I barely even use this week, but sometimes I do. So I have this little thing that is called Friday, and I forgot to take them off, so I'm just going to be taking them off. and I'm just going to be deleting them over here, even though I don't have an archive subpage because I feel like it is no need to add one over here since I already have one in my to-do for my today subpage. And these are basically just what I have to do, and for my weekly goals I basically put what I need to upload on that specific week, and they're mostly the same because I need to upload Instagram posts like every other day, even though sometimes I can't really do that because I do have a lot of homework on that specific day, and sometimes they can be coincidence, but sometimes it's just that I am kind of lazy to post Instagram posts. So over here it is my calendar. For my calendar I have my reminders on like what events I am going to be having tomorrow, next month, or even just like this week or next week. So this one is really important because it reminds me of the events and what is going to be happening in the future. And over here I've written my best friends, which is my bestie's birthday and my dad's birthday. And over here it is basically my YouTube. So over here it is my YouTube content calendar, and I put all of my videos like exactly what days I need to film them and upload them. So today's Saturday and I just uploaded. Oh my gosh. This one is how I use Notion as a student / YouTuber in 2021. So this is basically my description for the video because I don't want to again type in my description for every single video after I uploaded my video, which is a bit, well, not complex, but it is more like I don't really want to do that since like the description is already written down over here. So down here again it is my Instagram, so I have a social media planner for each of my social media platform. So this one is content calendar for my Instagram, and over here as you can see I basically have my topic, basically what is that post specifically about, and over here I have my tags, and over here my tags are basically for like what type it is. For example, over here I said that Instagram story and they are photos. So over here what to post is just kind of like for myself instead of for Instagram, and over here it has my growth tracker, and the same thing for my YouTube. I track my growth every month of, for example today's the 20th, so I'm just going to be entering the growth again like on the 20th of March, which is basically a month. So for my personal, today I'm not going to be showing my goals of February since they include some of my personal information about school and and some of my exercises and stuff like that, so I'm not going to be showing it. But for my fitness, I basically have my body tracker over here, basically something that is even more private than the goals of February. So of my leg workout, it is basically a link that I created. So to do that, just, oh my gosh guys, look at how many things I have over here. So I basically used, I think, it was basically file. Basically you can just like embed a link of that specific video, or if that is a YouTube video, you can basically copy and paste that YouTube video's link onto here, and then so whenever I click into it, it just brings me to that specific video. Okay, so let's go over the upcoming topic over here. So for the upcoming, it is basically for my upcoming assignments due dates. For example, like I need to do this today because it is due tomorrow, because I just want to do it in time instead of on time, because on time just makes me feel kind of rushed, or just makes me kind of feel really kind of like not safe. And when I say not safe, it doesn't really mean the actual meaning of not safe. It is just like because I feel kind of like nervous when doing things on time instead of in time. Alright, so for my notes, it is basically for, any deadlines, because deadlines are not the upcoming columns. So I just prefer to note them down on the notes column over here. And for my daily habits, it is the most important too. So for my habit tracker, I have my eye massage over here, because blue lights aren't really good for our eyes, so I prefer to just do an eye massage using the eye massage machine. It is kind of like a glass, but it has this little thing that surrounds my head, so that it can basically kind of like put it on my head, and then I can basically massage my eyes on there. And over here it is my phone. So you might be wondering what this little symbol over here means, this little thing. So that one basically means no, because like the red line means no and the green line means yes. Obviously over here it is not really what it means, but yeah, over here it basically means no phone 1 hour before bed, because blue light can actually affect our sleeping, because I am a really slow sleeper, especially when it reaches at about 12 a.m. in the morning, because now I sleep really late, and I do know that it is not good, but sometimes I need to do my homework and I just need to do my next day's plan, which makes it more harder to do this no phone 1 hour before bed. But yeah, I tried to do my best, and for this one I actually did this every single day, and I love to make my bed because it just makes my day so refreshing. Alright, so yeah, this is it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for this channel, and see you next Saturday, my dear lovely friends, and bye!